Welcome. If you've ever struggled to quickly find your most recently opened files in Google Drive on your mobile device, this guide is for you. Today, you'll learn the simple steps to reorder your files by last opened in the Google Drive app, so you can always pick up right where you left off. Let's get started. First, open the Google Drive app on your phone or tablet. Once you're in, head over to My Drive or navigate into any specific folder where your files are stored. This works whether you're organizing work documents, school projects, or personal files. Now, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a sort icon. It looks like 3 horizontal lines with up and down arrows next to them. Go ahead and tap that icon. This brings up a menu with different sorting options. From here, choose Last Opened. Instantly, your files will rearrange themselves, showing the ones you've opened most recently right at the top. This is perfect for those times when you need to jump back into a document you were just working on, without scrolling through everything else. Sorting by last opened is especially handy if you're juggling multiple files or projects. Instead of searching by name or trying to remember where you saved something, you can always find your recent work in just a couple of taps. If you ever want to switch things up, you can tap the sort icon again and choose a different order, like by name, last modified, or file size. Remember, this method works inside any folder in your Google Drive, not just in My Drive. So, whether you're organizing shared folders for a team or keeping your personal files in order, you have full control over how your files are displayed. That's all there is to it. With just a few taps, you can make Google Drive work smarter for you, saving time and keeping your workflow smooth. Give it a try and see how much easier it is to stay organized and productive on the go.